On August 14th, 2025 officers responded to Orlando International Airport following reports of battery and property destruction. The subject had struck 2 monitors and assaulted an airline employee. Probable cause was established before officers arrived.
Manager broke 2 monitors, had denied boarding for her behavior.
Is she intoxicated?
No, she was on a flight that it took off, had a maintenance problem, had the air return. So as she was boarding the second flight, she got upset, and then it went from there.
194, what's 1012 with the subject?
Hi.
Hi.
What happened?
What happened is that I had a breakdown because this air.
Go ahead. Just keep talking.
Oh, okay. I've been waiting for this flight after 45 minutes. That one was hitting the road after all the time that we need to wait, right? I was.
Get off the phone and tell us what happened. Tell us what happened. Forget about it.
It's just it's my mom. It's my mom.
Okay, so get over
Mira, madre.
How old are you?
She's 75.
How old are you?
I'm 46.
Okay, you can talk without your mom. So what happened?
So this is what happened. I get into a breakdown because I was talking with my mom at the hallway in a louder voice. So one of the guys come to me and is screaming at me that the people don't need to hear my conversation, which is I'm agree, all right? But right now I'm really frustrated. I am in medications just because my brother is dying. He's gonna be disconnected. I need to be there because he's gonna be disconnected tomorrow. It's not my problem. It's not my fault.
So what else happened?
What else happened? That I get angry and I hit all the computers and everything because I told them, okay, I can. You keep me out of the flight. Okay, that's perfect. But I'll give me my money to buy another ticket in another flight, right? Because it's not my mistake that after 45 minutes, the Southwest be on the air, go back to MCO because one of the tires is damaged.
So what else after you hit the monitors? Then what happened?
Nothing happens. I calling you. Nothing happens. I'm being here.
Okay. Did you break a monitor?
Yes, I think because I hit them with my phone. Right here. Mira.
You hit who with the phone?
I hit the monitors with my phone. I hit the whole monitors.
When questioned, she voluntarily admitted to the damage. No Miranda warning was required at that stage under Berkemer versus McCarty. 1984, Miranda applies only after formal arrest. Her admission combined with eyewitness and surveillance corroboration gave officers triple-layered probable cause.
Hey, how's it going?
Footage of him for kicking him and punching him.
There you go.
Cool. Can I see that?
I also have it right here too.
Yeah. Ooh, that's assault.
3 weeks. 3 weeks for my money, right? 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 3 weeks. 2 flights wasted. 2 flights wasted. 2 flights, 3 planes. After 45 minutes. Exactly. That's what I
Is it a joke?
call the police.
So you want to press charges?
Oh, you got 2 views of it, so. Do you want
You know how to work Axon?
Yeah. I just talked to my station manager Raphael, and yes.
Okay, you're going to write a statement for me? Yeah. Okay, and apparently she broke a...
Right over here. The monitor's ripped out of the wall.
Okay.
And then she hit me on the wrist with her phone and kicked me.
Okay. How much is this going to cost?
I have no idea.
Estimate?
Each monitor is probably $500.
Right.
So I would say $1,000. People too, so that's probably another 200.
Cool. Yeah. Hooker. Manager wants to press charges. Who's primary on this?
I want to press charge.
Okay, we'll settle that out. We'll settle that out. What
Stop
happened?
moving.
You want?
I want to press charge too.
Okay,
I don't
okay,
know
we'll
who's
get you to write a statement.
Stop
Okay.
moving.
Stop moving. Just stay still. Stop. Don't do that.
Because you broke that
Don't do that. Don't do
Yeah,
that.
and they broke my heart. And
Okay.
they broke my flight.
It's not a crime.
It's not a crime, then? No, that is not a crime,
So
right?
small it is.
That is
Yeah.
not a crime. To mess up with people's lives,
Yeah,
that
okay.
is not a crime.
All right, no problem.
That is not a crime.
You got ID? Stop moving. Stop moving.
Just release me.
Stop moving.
I will not stop moving.
Okay, I need you to stop
I
moving.
have my,
All right,
I have
come on.
my medication.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wow.
Walk with me.
Yeah.
Come on.
I hope you do that.
No, I just don't want you moving.
No, I just want that you do that to,
I want you to
your
move.
family members when they die. When they are dying. I have a good liar.
Come on.
Don't worry.
Come on. Don't stop walking.
Okay. So what is the pace that I need to walk?
Right here. Stop for 1 second. Stop.
Okay.
Stop moving around.
Okay,
I'm walking
but
around
what
with
do you want me to
I
do?
want you to stand still. Yeah, I got a car down there. I'm just trying to remember where I'm going. There it is. I'm right down there. We can get the
I
paperwork
hope
down
you
there.
are proud.
I'm not proud.
Yeah, you are really proud.
I'm not proud at all.
If you-
Stop
if you-
squirming your arms.
Yeah, but
Stop
why you
squirming.
are squeezing me?
Stop
You
squirming your
are
arms. Just
squeezing,
keep
you
on
are
walking.
hurting me.
Come on.
But you are hurting me. You're hurting me, man. I am not resisting.
Yes, you are.
How am I resisting? You have me bent over.
Because you're squirming
Oh.
your arms and you're trying to
Oh.
get out of these handcuffs.
Oh, 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 oh.
As Escort began, she claimed she was not resisting. Under Florida Statute Section 843.02, resistance without violence requires only knowing opposition to a lawful command. Verbal refusal and arm movement both meet that threshold. Her pain complaints during transport raise a Graham versus Connor question. Force was proportional soft, empty hand control against a subject with a confirmed battery history. However, when she said, "My lawyer is going to see all the bruises," that triggered Sixth Amendment protections under Edwards versus Arizona, 1981. All non-booking questioning should have ceased. No documentation on camera.
Okay, my lawyer is gonna see all the bruises.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is there an elevator over here
Yeah, all the bruises.
You got an elevator?
All the bruises.
to get downstairs?
All the bruises.
Hold it.
I got her. Is there an elevator down here? All right. Come on, walk. Walk.
Oye, pero ya déjale. No me tienes que apretar, hermano. ¿Sabes cuál es el problema? Yo puedo caminar. Déjame caminar bien. Let me walk. Why you are still doing force on
pushing
me?
up against back.
I am not resisting.
Okay.
I am not resisting.
All the
I'm
way
just
to the
trying to
back.
tell you that it's hurt.
All the way
See
to the
my
back.
hands already. I'm hurt. Yeah. I hope that
Stop.
that
Moving
you're gonna
around.
take pictures of the bruises that you are creating on me. Because in any moment I'm be resisting. And I'm doing anything wrong. Just waiting.
You.
So I'll come get him. Let's go, right?
Yeah. How do we get out of here?
Like the door to remain closed. The stepping in. Open it. Yeah,
Stop pulling me.
Can you stop?
You stop
You
pulling
are
me.
pulling me.
Let's go.
You are pulling me. Abuser. You are an abuser. All of you are an abuser. just abusers.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Oh,
You understand? Stop pulling me. You're done pulling me. You understand me?
you are
Walk
angry.
slowly. You pull me again, you're going to the ground.
Yeah, I know that what you want, that I used to.
Against the car. Against the car. Walk to the car. Spread your feet. All good. It's not hard. You start pulling me around, we're gonna have problems. One second. One second. Get in. Scoot over. Right there. You got any information on her?
That's Armani's got everything.
Salome. All right. The airport. Are you listening to me? They're trespassing you from this airport. You cannot come back here for 1 year. Okay? If you come back, you are subject to arrest. You understand?
How am I gonna get to Puerto Rico to bury my brother?
You would have to take another airport.
Airport.
Miami, Tampa, Jacksonville.
How am I gonna get there?
I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. You have to figure it out. But if you come back here, you will be arrested if they want to press charges. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
She was charged with battery criminal mischief over $1,000, a third-degree felony, and resisting without violence. Officers receive a B-solid probable cause, measured escalation, but no on-camera medical evaluation, despite documented pain complaints. Subject receives a C+1 unprompted admission, eliminated any viable defense to the felony charge. Key takeaway: the Fifth Amendment right to silence is most valuable before a person thinks they need it. Once a statement is made, it cannot be unmade. Silence and compliance preserve legal options that words and resistance permanently close. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.